Thank you. Appreciate it. Nobody here. That's great. So, good morning, good morning. Here we are again. This time we are in the Hudson Highlands State Park, and I am getting ready to go climb up Anthony's Nose via the Bear Mountain Toll House. There's two different ways you can go up this. One of them is a little bit further up the road. It's a lot shorter trail. Or you can go from this end, which is basically like the other end of it, and you got to go up and over a few little bumps to get over to Anthony's Nose. So figured I'm off, got the time, might as well do the long version. That's it. Let's go ahead and get started there. That's a good start to this one. Just broke my tripod, so it will not. God, you hear that? The whole main part of it just fell out of the tripod, and now when I put it back in, it won't grab properly. Yeah, that's always encouraging. Knowing you got a bunch of military guys running around the woods with guns. Kinda starting to get some views here. Let's go down here, check this out. Oh yeah. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I'll take it. I think that's Indian Point right there, the nuclear power station. Oh, now that is a decent view right there. Oh yeah, good stuff. Huh. Want to see something? Sweating. Your train tracks down there. I can hear the cars. Can't see the bridge yet, but it's coming. Yeah, once I get to the end of this trail, the last overlook, which is the one up on Anthony's Nose, overlooks the Bear Mountain Bridge. I gotta go off that way. Oh, wonder what's up there. Looks like maybe a lookout. You know what? Let's go take a look. I don't know if it's that one or one over, but I think that's Anthony's Nose right there. Let's see, let's go up here and see if we get a good view. Five-minute break is over. It's been nice hanging out on this little rock. You know, I was just looking across the river, and that's Bear Mountain right there. You can kind of see the tower right at the top. I know this camera probably isn't picking it up, but yeah, there's a tower there. Bear Mountain Inn is down in the bottom at the foot of the mountain. It's a whole resort right there. Pretty cool. Spent a lot of time there when I was younger. I can't even count the amount of times that I've climbed Bear Mountain, so I'm not even gonna attempt it. It's just crazy looking across. Is most of these little mountains and stuff over there, I've been on the top of just about all of them. That's all Harriman State Park, all in the back. Doodletown, I think, is down in there somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. Oh man, so nice. I don't get to see this perspective of Bear Mountain often. That's nice. I'm glad I came up here. Alright, continuing on to that big hump over there. That's where we got to go. What's going on here? I guess I can't cut across here. Yeah, I guess that probably wouldn't be the best idea, right? I see a blue marker right there. So, geez, I was off the trail for 6 minutes and I lost it that easily. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, blue down here. So far, I gotta say, this is a really good hike. Some pretty good uphills right from the start. Definitely get your heart pumping. Get the sweat flowing. I got bit right above my eyebrow by a bug. Ooh. Undergrowth is thick back here. Alright, let's get over here. Whoa! What is going on here? It's like a dance party. A little worm dance party. Man, these things are all over the place. What the heck? God, I feel bad. I'm just like crunching them. Trying not to, but... And there's a spider on my arm. It's great. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Great view from up here. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, that is great. All right, let's get it done. This is where the toll house is, right here, and all the way up. I guess I'm right here. Yeah, I gotta be. Let's keep going. What's that? Well, well, well. Look at this guy. Can I touch? Can I touch? Can I touch? Yeah! Alright, that's enough. That's it, all packed up, ready to go. I keep hearing things down there. It's not like a person there, is there? No. Alright, so real quick before I leave, that right there used to be an ammo depot. It's called Iona Island. And that little hump down at the end is called Round Island, even though they're connected. Weird. Yeah, I don't know how long that thing was in operation for, if they even still use it. I don't think they do. Yeah, there used to be an ammo depot. Very interesting. And then there's a rail line, which you saw the train earlier. It goes all the way. And then there's one down here that you can't see because the cliff just drops off, but every so often you can hear the train running up the river on this side. Oh man, it's so gorgeous up here. All right, let's start figuring out how do I get out of here, because I was off trail when I came down. Let's see, did I come up this way? Oh god, that sun right in my eyes. Yeah, this is where I came down, right here. All right. All right, one last look. Hold on. It was worth a run over here. Holy crap, I just like jetted like 1/10 of a mile back up the trail to try to get that. I heard them coming and I couldn't find any good place to dip off the trail to get a view. Down the hill a little bit. I had to come all the way back over here. Whew. Back at the lot. I don't even want to know what the temperature is right now. Ooh, even as hot as it is though, man, what a great hike this is. I'm definitely gonna want to do this one again, no doubt. Yep, check. They should really put the book back. It'd be good to know who's coming back here and using this trail. Sight for sore eyes. We are back. Oh man, I never thought that was gonna end. Don't get me wrong, I love hiking. Put me in places normal people don't go, and I am perfectly happy. But when it's like this, with this crazy heat, no. What we're looking at in terms of mileage, 6.49, so 6.5 miles. There's no way it's 113 degrees. I'd be dead. There's no way I would have just did that hike if it was that hot. What's the actual temperature? 92. All right, all. Peace out. Have yourself a good one. I will see you next time.